Hello, you are welcome to Digital Clicks. My name is Augustus Philip, and in this video I will show you how to create a Naira wallet on Geegpay and how you can fund it easily. Whether you are new to Geegpay or looking for a simple guide, this step-by-step tutorial will help you set up your wallet and add funds without any hassle. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more useful content. Okay, so if you have accounts with Geegpay, you need to log in, alright, or you create a new account. And when you log in, you get to this point. So I want to show you how you can create a Naira wallet. You can see from this upper part of this screen you are seeing Naira, then wallet. Okay, so down the screen you tap on account. Down the screen you tap on account. Alright, up there you see create new, you tap on it, and you see Naira account, you tap on it too, and you say create account. Alright, so it has been created successfully. So let's just view the bank details. So this is the bank details. This is my account, Naira account, Credit Money Microfinance Bank Limited. Okay, and this is the bank account, okay, given to me. Alright, so this is the account that I will fund this wallet with. Okay, so let me show you how you can fund this wallet. Alright, you go to home, tap on more here. You see these three dots. On this tab, convert, send money, and more. Tap on the more. Okay, so you see here, add funds to any of your accounts. So you tap add funds. Okay, so you enter the amount. Let's do 5,000. You select the currency. Of course, the currency is going to be Nigerian Naira. Okay, so you tap next. Choose bank transfer. And you proceed. Okay, so you see that account you just created, that is the account that will be given to you to transfer the money to. Okay, so before you send money, you create a wallet first, and that is why we had to create the wallet first. Alright, so you copy these details and you now send the money to this account, and you now tap on have sent fund. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, I've copied the bank details and I'll head over to my bank app to transfer the money. On bank app, recording is not allowed, so I'll do that and come back here. Okay, another thing you should take note of is that it's only your account that you can send money from to this account. Another person's account is not allowed. That is a third party account, is not allowed. Alright, so I've done the transfer, so I will just tap I've sent funds. Add money successful. So we'll now go back home. Okay, all right, so that is it. I just refreshed and the money has reflected. So if you like the video, if you get value from it, please subscribe. And also, if you want to join my community, take the link in the description section of this video to join my community. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.